Time is a luxury us air gunners don't have. This weekend I was going to drive to the Cajun Classic in Baton Rouge, but unfortunately I had a concrete contractor that's going to help me pour a new foundation for a new studio call me and say the only availability he had was this weekend. Like most guys out there, I'm strapped for time. Usual films that I do out in the forest take me 30 minutes to an hour and a half to drive to. But today, I'm doing it in my backyard. And more importantly, I'm doing it with a BRK Pathfinder, a new gun for 2023. So let's go check it out. All right, that's the BRK Pathfinder. It's a great little compact rifle. Fits nicely into small spaces, especially with the foldable, collapsible stock. Its overall length is 616 millimeters, which is just a little bit over 24 inches. With a collapsed and folded stock, it's down to 414 millimeters, which is just over 16 inches. So very small little rifle. If you're a hunter and going through forest like this, it's nice and compact, so you can get around corners easy without getting your barrels caught and stuff. The other thing I'll say about it is it weighs 6.4 pounds. Scoped, you're talking about maybe another pound. So 7.4 pounds, not that heavy at all, pretty lightweight. And when you first get it in, the trigger and the cocking lever are a little stiff. After about 50 shots though, those get loosened up really nice. So that's just something to be cognizant of. Just shoot out that stiffness in the cocking lever, and same thing with trigger. I'd advise shooting maybe 5 or 6 magazines before even adjusting the trigger. It does have a nice 2-stage adjustable trigger like the BRK Ghost. And obviously, just like the BRK Ghost and the other Brocox and Day States out there, it has the Huma air regulator, so it makes your shots very consistent. Now for accuracy, it was a very accurate gun. I shot 3 different pellets on both high and low speed at 25 yards, and it did well with all 3. I pulled the gun straight out of the box. I didn't clean it or anything like that. So I think with a good clean and a little time, the reg would settle in more. I would expect those groups to shrink even more. So the gun overall gets an A+, and I think it's a great little package. Anyone that's doing small game hunting or backyard plinking, Pathfinder might be an option for you. So definitely check it out. I do want to say really quickly, thank you to Airguns of Arizona for making this video happen. It's really hard to put out videos on a consistent basis, especially on newer products, and they got this product really early to me. So big thank you to them. It was a big help. And if you want to get one of these rifles, be sure to check out airgunsofarizona.com, atlasairguns.com, or a local retailer. You guys have a good day. Bye. Well, that's some geese. Always when I do any kind of recording, there's some noise going on. It's a tractor, it's a gunshot, it's geese, maybe it's a gator, I don't know. Something always has to happen in the background. Super annoying. Go away, geese. Go away. Okay.